So today we're going to be looking at in virtual, one of my absolute favorite tokens for the month of January. It's in virtual. Oh my goodness, my king. So today we're going to analyze in virtual. We're going to analyze it and see where it is that we are going to be taking it. But in virtual, it's big. In virtual is in the top tier of agents, launchers, launch pads. In virtual is #1 with a market cap of 2.2 million, which is absolutely insane. Let's dive into analyzing in virtual. So today, we are going to analyze it and really see on the chart, where it's headed for this upcoming bull run. What you're seeing here are the in virtual charts. And the blue lines you see, this is the in virtual, the crypto magic, man. And just look at how cool this is. We're pushing up, and then we push back down on in virtual. We push back down a little bit more. But if you look closely at in virtual, this is precisely where we have fallen. So we're pushing. As long as the vector is radiating, the trade is good. We push back up on in virtual. Based on the interest, it's telling us that we're going to fall back. We've come close to in virtual, we're climbing back up. Break of structure, we push all the way up to 1. Red candle, it's turning around. We descend all the way to where? Just to the middle of the indicator. And then we push up. And there, we're on a green vector. We're going to be filling that up to 50% in order to move on again. This is what's called actually the profit technique. It's when we fall back on the 4-hour chart. You can see what's happening in the upcoming hours, and we can see. We were here. And then we pushed up. This was yesterday morning. And we pushed up